Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Woman's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this leather video, today I will show you a gorgeous and stylish leather handbags designs. My dear friends, let's talk about hand carries, pocket bags ideas. Handbags will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. If you love to follow trendy fashion about handbags, designs will change your look with bucket handbags, shoulder handbags, hand carry bags and genuine leather handbags and much more about trendy fashion ideas. If you love to follow my channel, so make sure to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social media's contact. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of leather videos do you want to see on my channel. My dear friends, thank you once again you watching my leather videos from my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas and new trendy fashion about leather handbags designs. We will be right back with new leather videos and new leather handbags designs, bucket leather handbags designs, pouch style handbags designs, shoulder handbags and hand carry bags designs ideas. Thank you once again you watching my videos. Take care, keep supporting me. Till then, thanks for watching. Salam to all of you. Pray with us. Bye bye.